E gwenge mag Kochia, Homabay County ni motelo ne mine e Homabay County Mikai Gladys Wanga ne Osidhi kaka mano endo jatelo ma oyier kod oganda no endo mar Kochia mar mondo mi odhi olar kom no endo mar Gavana mar county ma Homabay.
And the governorship, for example, such as this in Homabay. But I want to immensely thank my people, the people of Kochia, for the confidence that they have shown in my leadership. It is really, really humbling what has happened here.
As an ODM brigade, yesterday,
that I have on my head, which is called the Gesa. It is for me to go and use it to bring back power of governorship here to Kochia, who have today officially endorsed me. And I think it's a big plus for women in leadership that we can have an honor to this extent. So I'm really grateful to the people of Kochia, the elders, the clergy, the professionals, the community, the opinion leaders, all of them who've come here today to make this possible.
Now, women fraternity have been...
Traditionally, it means we have given the Homabay County our very best. And culturally, that we identified a lady or a woman with leadership qualities all around. And that is why today we have crowned her with Ogisa. It's only given to women who are leaders. And it means that we are giving the Homabay County our very best. So we're believing that they will also see our very best and adopt what we have seen in her. We have seen good in her. We have seen progress in her. We have seen